Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to talk about 88 Lions Gate portal. How important it is and what all things that you need to do to manifest your life. Energies will be very high, vibrations will be very high. Whatever you're going to manifest on this day will come true because of the energies and the vibration. Even our Shastra has given a lot of importance to the manifestation. Whatever you think that you will become. So let's focus on what all things that you need to do on this day. Step by step, I'm going to guide you. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. 8th of August is a very important day, as I already told you that the vibrations and the energies will be very high, and the sunrise and the sunset of this particular day is very important. Whatever you ask from the universe during the sunrise and the sunset will come true. What is the right way of asking this? First, you should wake up before the sunrise and do the meditation. The meditation link has already been shared in the description. You have to do the meditation. After doing the meditation, this process needs to be done before the sunrise. So you have to do the meditation is for 15 minutes and it is totally on your mindset. After doing the meditation, you have to write down all the problems of your life which you are facing in the present moment, like you are writing in such a way that you are sharing all your problems, all your thoughts to the universe on this day. After writing down with a blue color pen, you have to burn the same in the candle. When you are burning the same in the candle, you have to burn it with a very pure intention, in the way that you are surrendering all your problems, all your doubts, all your future concern to the God. Next step, what you need to do is that exactly during the sunrise, you have to stand in front of the sun. Stand in front of the sun during the sunrise, and you have to say a very positive and a present moment affirmation or the present moment wish. Like if you want to get married to a specific person, you have to open both your arms, see towards the sun, and say a positive affirmation: I am married to this particular person. Or if you want to attract the money, you have to say, I received that much amount of money that you are looking from the universe. As well as if you want to become a successful in your field, you have to say it loudly to the universe: I am successful, or I am king in my field. So whatever you want from the universe, you have to tell to the universe in the present tense. Say it loudly, opening both your arms, seeing towards the rising sun. Say this loudly 3 times on this day during the sunrise. If you're saying this loudly without overthinking, without giving a single thought, all your wishes will come true. What next? Sunset of this day is also a very important energies. So what do you need to do during the sunset? Again, during the sunset, you have to stand in front of the sun, say the same positive affirmation that you have said during the sunrise, opening both your arms, and say to the universe loudly what you want from the universe. And after saying it, you have to say, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. 1176. 1176 is a code of converting all your dreams into the reality. If you're doing this ritual on this day, then comment this number, that is 1176, so that all your wishes will come true. Share this video with your loved one. Thank you. Have a